Cisco 2900 router, and you want to order an upgrade for it. So you choose MEM 512-1GBU. So assuming you're starting at 512 meg DRAM in the 2900, the option is available to upgrade to 1 gig overall. So in this case, when you order MEM 2900 512U 1GB, you're telling the factory at order stage you want to have the 2900 arrive with extra memory more than the default supplied, which was 512. Okay. However, if you've already got that 2900 on site, or let's say you ordered it last year, then you would have to order MEM 2900-512MB. So you're just ordering the 512 meg memory stick because you've already got one of the 2 DRAM slots populated on site with 512. You want to get up to 1 gig, so you put another 512 stick in there. However, both have different ordering part numbers with Cisco, so that helps the end user determine what memory they want, and tells Cisco what they've already got and started with and whether they've got the router or not already. Okay, so however, you'll get the same memory stick arrive in the box, which in this case is TAN number 15-11336-01, which is a PC2 5300 24 pin UDIM DDR2 low profile.